Hi, Kimba. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So I'm here to see what you have on your shelf, what type of herbs you sell, and the purpose of the different types of herbs. So can you tell the viewing audience what you have here?
Sure. Well, welcome to Zola's Original Herbal Remedies. We are located at 9220 Union Hall Street, which is between Jamaica Avenue and Archer Avenue. Our phone number is 718-523-7704. Our website is www.ohremedies.com. That's OHREMEDIES.com. We also on Instagram, which is at OH Remedies, and Facebook, and on Twitter.
So they can order online?
Yes.
Okay, because so if they don't want to come to Queens, they can just go ahead and place the order on your website, which is ohremedies.com.
Yes.
Okay, so would you be kind enough to show us all the different types of herbs you have here? I know you have an extensive line of herbs.
Sure.
And how long you guys been in business?
Well, over 20 years we've been doing this.
Yes.
But in this location, we here for 14 years.
Right. So I've been coming to you guys for over 10 years, and this is the place I get all my herbs. So Kimba's gonna show us the store and the different types of herbs that you can get.
Well, just us.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Okay, so here we have things to help build up the immune system, which is we have the immune support tea, the cold and flu, the sniffle relief, cough relief. This whole section is just for like building up the
Your
immunity.
immune system,
Especially allergy season is coming in. We have that. And then we have when you're a little stressed, we have stuff to calm you here. We have the sleep on the rocks tea, the nerve support tea. As you see, the calming tea is done. With these times, yes. We have the relief stress blend, and then we have stuff to help kill bacteria.
right? So let me ask you a question. So these are all teas, and they're loose
cacao powder and the nibs here. And strange stuff like chade burger, which is helps with weight loss. We have Garcinia cambogia. We also have stuff to help male testosterone, like the tonkat alley root powder.
Now, the tonkat alley root powder, how do you say? Just mix it in a smoothie?
In a smoothie, or
Just
they
drink
can
it,
make it
knock
like
it
a
back?
tea, or
Okay.
just, yeah.
And then,
Some of the guys from the gym, they use that to help build muscle mass.
so for people who don't always like tea, because like my sister doesn't like tea, so they can have it in a cold drink.
Yeah, they
Okay.
can mix these in smoothie
Okay.
or fresh juice.
So we know that the herbs are not to cure, not to, you know,
Yeah, it's just basically it helps with
just for more of overall health.
yeah.
But we're not gonna say that it's gonna cure your ailments or whatever it is. You should work with your doctor, so forth, and always work with someone professional. So we have the master herbalist who's here. You make an appointment, and the number to the location here once again is
718-523-7704. Yeah, so what I wanted to just say that when you take in herbs, you have to remain consistent, and we consider this food and not medicine. So even though you're taking this and you're taking that and you're taking some of the herbs or some of the capsules, it's fine because it's just food.
right, and the body knows how to process food. Unlike a drug, the body doesn't know what to do with it, so it gets confused and it stores it in the
Exactly.
liver.
Yes.
And this is why you see a lot of people have to go back to the doctor to get a blood work after they take so much drugs
Or they-
because it's chewing up the
They've
liver.
just been on the medication for years. I
Right.
don't understand if you're supposed to be taking something to help you. Why are you on it for so many years?
So
You have to consider that.
right, so this is where education comes in with herbs, because herbs do work. They're just slow to work. They're not like a drug that gives you that bam. But herbs are slow to work because there's many days. I think there's 4 ways to get rid of herbs. You sweat it out, you poop it out, you pee it out, or you blow it out, right?
Definitely.
So and the body knows how to deal with
how
it.
to deal with it.
Right,
yes.
unlike a drug. But we're not telling you to come off your drugs. You have to deal with your doctor with that. We're just giving you alternative to whatever you're doing,
Right.
and educate you more.
And we do teach lots of classes and workshops here on just basic stuff, like your health.
And that's right, because I do get a lot of your emails. You do a lot of female workshops.
Oh yeah, and men.
And men's too.
Yes.
Right. And is there a reason why you do so much more females, or is it just
Well,
a
no,
demand?
I mean, we have lots of issues, and men and women have different issues. So the women tend to have a little bit more that we would have to address because we
Okay.
have the breast, we have the uterus, we have other things that
Childbirth, all that
exactly,
stuff,
all
yeah.
that stuff that we have to deal
Okay.
with. And then, as so for the men, they have to deal with the prostate or even just maintaining your health.
Right.
Some of us don't know how to, and we're here to educate the community. We do some free workshops, and some of them are paid. They're mostly on the weekends and sometimes weeknights.
And then you can get it on the email list, because that's how you send out these workshop notifications through your email.
Yes.
Which is, how would they sign up for your email? What did it just email you? What's your email address here?
Oh, the email here is info@ohremedies.com.
Okay, so one of the things I like about when I always come here is that you have a Kangen water machine, and a lot of us we have a tendency to drink the tap water.
Tap water, or boil it and drink it.
Right.
Boiling tap water is basically cooking everything that's in tap water.
Right, I was always told that because the water is laced the bottled water has been proven to be just tap water.
And then you don't know how long it's been in the bottle too.
Right. From what I learned in massage school, a lot of the top bottled water is there for at least 6 months. That's a long time to be
That's a
sitting
long
inside of a
time.
bottle.
And then
So-
you're gonna drink that,
Right.
and the plastic seeps into the water too.
Right. So I believe in drinking clean water. In my home, we have a filter with 6 different filters that filters out all the different chemicals to give you a nice, clean taste, fresh water, drinking water.
Yeah, especially in these times, we definitely need.
What does it do?
It basically takes your tap water and it filters everything that's out of it, splits it into two, where one is alkaline and the other one is acidic. Now the alkaline one you can cook, you can drink, you can do whatever, make it juices, whatever with that water. And then the acidic one, you could put that on your skin. The pH, it splits into two different types of pH. So either the 8.5 or the 9.0 or 9.5 to drink, and then the acidic is 5.5, which is very good for the skin. So if you have any type of ailments with this, like acne or eczemas or psoriasis, you name it, anything that's going on, or even if you just want to use it as a toner, you can use it on your face. Also, men use it after like an aftershave. It helps with closing the pores. So it's a great device.
It does hydrates you immediately, right? So a lot of us are dehydrated, and we're drinking all these sweet drinks and all these sugary snacks, and we're depleting ourselves, especially if you're drinking alcohol. Alcohol is the number one reason. Well, one of the reasons that many people are dehydrated.
Yes.
Yes, it taxes the system.
Yeah. So that alkaline water basically it penetrates your cells, right? So just to wrap things up here, we have lots of herbal teas and tonics and herbal capsules, and we have loose bulk herbs here that can help you with your everyday health, just for optimum health.
And again, you're located on Jamaica, well, you're off Jamaica Avenue.
On Union Hall Street.
Right.
If you know Jamaica area, we're right after the bank, the Chase Bank.
And you're like one of the only stores in Queens that have so many different herbs. How many herbs you have here? Approximately.
Yeah, approximately, we have over 2,000 items in this store.
Wow, because I've been to so many different herbal stores and it's nothing of this caliber. Maybe they have about maybe 4 or 5 different, what do you call these, bottles?
The loose herbs, the single herbs?
The single herbs on the shelf, and then that's it.
Yeah.
You come in here and like you want to just go crazy because there's so many different choices. And if you're not familiar with a lot of the herbs, again, you have somebody like Kimber, who's a master herbalist herself. She's very knowledgeable, over 14 years in this business. And then you have the master herbalist who can do iridology. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, she does iridology. So basically, she takes a picture of your eyes. It scans into a computer system, and then it brings up everything that's going on in the body. So even if you had like a broken bone 10 years ago, that's a fascinating thing. It shows up in the eye. And then after, she creates a program based off of the analysis. And then we also do a body scan. Now, the body scan is just simple. You just rest your hand on a small device and it scans your aura. And then it brings up everything as well, whether you're dehydrated, if your diet's bad, if you're lacking minerals. It also even tell you that if something's going on with any of the organs. And you can also get your own report that you can look at home at your own convenience. Okay. And then we also do just basic consultation if you just want to come in and speak with one of the herbalists here. That we can do too.
And they have a wonderful thing about Zola Original Herb Remedies. They have a school.
Yeah.
So if you're really interested in herbs just for yourself or for your family, or you want to start to work with your community, they have a wonderful program here. Kimber will tell you briefly about it.
That's the classes that we have. We've been teaching
students.
Yes. One of the top ones.
I tell you, it's a great school, and the teacher here, which is Zola at the time when I was here, she's excellent. So I highly suggest if you want to get involved with something more alternative and get into more of your health, this is the perfect place for it. You don't have to worry about excessive tuition. You don't have to worry about being bogged down with loans and so forth. They'll always work with you. And the resource is phenomenal.
Yeah.
So thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. I am Cameron from Somatic Massage Therapy and Spa, and I want to thank Kimber for giving us a great tour of the store. So I highly suggest take a drive. We're just across the Nassau Queens County border. Take a drive out to the store. and take a look. I showed you in the videos all the different herbs that you can put together. And if you have someone who is ill in the family, this is something that you can try to help them get back to optimum health. So thanks again.
Thank you.
Check out the website, ohremedies.com, and this telephone number.
718-523-7704, and you can catch us on Instagram and Twitter and on Facebook.
See you next time.